Unlocking the secrets of the multiplication table. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're diving into an essential concept in mathematics, the multiplication table. This tool is not just a bunch of numbers. It's a gateway to understanding multiplication, a fundamental operation in math. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your skills, understanding the multiplication table can make math much more approachable and fun. Let's get started. A multiplication table is a grid or chart that displays the results of multiplying two numbers together. It's like a shortcut for multiplication, helping us find answers quickly without having to calculate each time. The table typically starts with 1 and goes up to 10 or more, covering all the basic multiplication facts that are essential for solving math problems efficiently. The structure of a multiplication table is simple and organized. It's arranged in rows and columns, where each row and column header represents a number. To find the product, result of multiplication, of two numbers, you locate one number on the row header and the other on the column header. The point where the row and column intersect gives you the answer. This structure makes it easy to memorize and recall multiplication facts. Using the multiplication table is straightforward. Let's say you want to multiply 4 by 3. You find the number 4 on the row header and the number 3 on the column header. Follow the row and column to where they meet, and that intersection shows the product, 12. It's a quick way to confirm your calculations or to learn and practice multiplication facts. Knowing the multiplication table has several benefits. It enhances calculation speed, making you quicker at solving math problems. It builds a foundation for learning more complex math topics like division, fractions, and algebra. It also boosts confidence in math abilities, as you'll feel more prepared to tackle various math challenges. Understanding the multiplication table is crucial in your math learning journey. It not only helps you solve multiplication problems with ease but also lays the groundwork for mastering more advanced math concepts. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and utility of the multiplication table. Keep practicing, and you'll find that math becomes more intuitive and less daunting. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.